Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that in the last 24 hours, we have received a push that was required for Bitcoin to get over the 100k and make sure that it stays in a positive trend. All the liquidations are gone and definitely ready for the next leg up. And this was all done due to the CPI data coming in favor of the crypto market. I mean, if you just look at the overall trend, you will realize that Bitcoin has crossed 101k and everything is pretty much in green, including Dogecoin reclaiming close to 42 cents as the trading volume is still holding strong. I mean, 1 billion USDT was minted from the Tether treasury on Ethereum. Dogecoin price prediction rebound expected as 60,000 new traders buy the dip. Eric Trump promises the most crypto pro president ever, and Circle and Binance partner to accelerate global USDC adoption. Now, this is going to be the way for the whole crypto market to see the growth ahead, because we need the stable coins to do well. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, make sure you go down and tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video. That will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it. The user engagement goes up. The market keeps climbing and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the trend that Dogecoin has formed. Previously, this has been done pretty much the exact same time period. Now you can see this was the exact time period when we noticed that the market actually dipped really hard after it was able to make it to 48 cents. Now, does that look like something is being repeated? And the answer is yes, because exactly 48 cents and the support was found around the same point and the reversal is identical. But what will happen this time around? I personally feel like it won't be as slow of a progress. This time around, this momentum that they have built is definitely going to carry on at the same pace and maybe actually make it above 48 cents. Making sure that it does not get rejected there is going to be very, very crucial. If you look at the RSI line, after getting into the oversold zone, it's finally making a reversal towards the center. This is all due to the CPI data actually coming in favor of the crypto market. Now, another interesting thing is this: the Chinese yuan dips on the report. Government may resort to using old tricks, and these tricks could be, you can say it's the stable currency policy in response to tariff under the president-elect Donald Trump. I mean, Trump coming into power has definitely shown China yuan some bad days due to the fact that there is a little bit of expected tariffs that will be put on the yuan and also all of the goods that are being transported, and this is going to have a huge impact on the data for US, as it will be impacting it in a good way and pushing it even further. Now, you guys know that USDT pretty much acts in a really good way towards Bitcoin. As much more is being printed, there is going to be more money that will be flowing in, and when the money is flowing in, Bitcoin is definitely going to climb even harder. And today, 1 billion were just minted by the Tether treasury on Ethereum. That's a lot of money, and at the same time, that will be pushing the crypto market. Now, there are a lot of new traders that are buying the dip when it comes to Dogecoin. And what does this mean? Well, in simple terms, Dogecoin reclaims 40 cents. The number of wallets holding increased by 60,000 between 2nd December and 11 December. That's only a week, and you can definitely see that new traders are trying to get into Dogecoin rather than buying something like Bitcoin. And Eric Trump. Now, if you guys do not know who Eric Trump is, their face will remind you guys of a lot of things. He's pretty much Donald Trump's son, and he went on to say one very important statement. Eric Trump promises the most pro-crypto president that you have ever seen. And let's just say Trump has been saying the same thing, so someone from his family saying that is pretty crazy, and that's definitely going to be having a good impact on the crypto market after Trump gets elected in January end. And Circle and Binance partner to accelerate the global USDC adoption. Now, This is a way to ensure that USDC is going to be used around the world and to make sure that it's much easier to do the transactions, as that's going to be acting as the digital currency. And that's exactly what the governments are not happy about. Talking about the open interest, it's up another 3% for Dogecoin, now sitting at 2.7 billion, and the long to the short ratio is still in the favor of long traders at about 76%. Now let me give you perspective. Right now, if you pay attention to the longs of Bitcoin, it's sitting close to 52. So you know that Doge definitely has a lot of potential to make it to its all-time high. Bitcoin whales are buying every dip. In fact, 342 wallets with over 100 Bitcoin were created as price drop from 104 to 90,000. That's a lot of new wallets that were created, and 100 Bitcoin is nearly $10 million, just to give you perspective. And only 0.5% of Microsoft shareholders voted in favor of Bitcoin investment proposal. So that's a very little percentage, and that's the reason most likely Microsoft will not be dipping their toes into the crypto market anytime soon. And Elon Musk becomes the first person to surpass 400 billion in net worth. Now that's a lot of money, and he's definitely number one by quite a margin. It's due to the fact how quickly Tesla shares are going up. And President-elect Trump scheduled to ring New York Stock Exchange opening bell on Thursday. That's so exciting, and it gives you perspective how this will have a really good impact. And Dogecoin resilience suggests possibility amid the meme coin market turbulence and liquidations. I mean, personally, if you just look at the way all of the other meme coins reacted to the pullback, Doge has definitely held its price pretty well, and today the recovery is pretty good as well compared to all of the other coins, which if you just do the overall maths, you realize that Doge is so much bigger, and that it's still able to keep up with the same type of momentum already gives you perspective. And Ripple's USD stablecoin wins the final regulatory proposal. Is this going to be the push that XRP needed to make it to $5? Hey, we will have to wait and see on that one. And Bitcoin, is this support enough to prevent another Bitcoin crash? And that was the 94,000 that was actually, touched, and then it did recover from there. At this point, I feel like we're still in the upwards momentum, and Bitcoin is definitely going to make it to like 130k before seeing any sort of big reversal. That's what I'm going to say. And Casa now launches national state Bitcoin self-custody solution. So the service is designed to compete with larger third-party custodies such as COINBASE. And a country-based, that's definitely a step in the right direction, but at the same time, it's really interesting to see how this will play out. Will this have a negative impact as more countries are trying to get more power, or is this going to be seen as a good thing as more and more countries are getting involved with the crypto market? That would be something interesting. And Bitcoin reclaims 100k following release of the US CPI data for November, and that's exactly what I mean, because the market expect Fed to cut the interest rate a little bit more, so the market is definitely going to react in a good way. Other than that, we're going to keep going up. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.